Okie. So it's now 5:15 in the morning. We're finally leaving. Wanted to leave about, I don't know, an hour ago. But had a tail lamp. The license plate lamp was not working, so I had to get a new one of those and replace that. A little bit of snow this morning, a little bit of wind. You know, wearing gloves or frozen fingers, and wet, nasty out this morning, can't see. You know, flashlight that won't stand up vertically, you know, it just makes it a little bit harder to get things done. But got that replaced and working, so can ride down the road legal again. I tell you. That's always fun. So we're behind schedule today, at least for the first one. The second one is like 12 miles away, so you know that 3 hour delivery difference is delivery time isn't going to hurt us so much. But no matter what, we'll get it done. So we're leaving. We left the TA in Elgins, or in Hampshire, Illinois. Exit 42 off of I-90 in Illinois. Right across the street from the Road Ranger. Make our way north and east here a little bit to get up to Jackson, Wisconsin. Unfortunately, I had to park come all the way out to Elgin from Addison, because going straight north was there was nothing up that way that I could get a spot for the night. So I had to come all the way out to Elgin. So I got 100 miles to go on the back roads here to get there. So I'll be a little bit behind schedule, but then as soon as I get this first load off, 12 miles difference, bang, the other one's going to be early. So it'll work out in the end. Just repowering this load has not been a joy. See you when the sun's up. You need to call me impressed with this little town, Fontana, Wisconsin. They got the flags up, they got the Christmas lights up, and the decorations on the light posts. I mean, looks like the gutters are kept clean of debris. Got some nice street lights. That little downtown area, Fontana, Wisconsin. That's impressive. Wish I could have gotten it all on camera. But that was not bad. That was pretty. Even though Rand McNally will not recognize the address as Jackson, even though their address is, I have to plug in the little town of Mayfield. In order to get the address to actually come up. One of those fun little things you gotta manipulate. You gotta use Google in order to get it done right.
In 900 feet, keep to the left on WI-60 West and then at the roundabout take the first exit.
Freaking roundabout, pain in the asses. All up on the curb, because they don't design it for the trucks, even though they know trucks are coming down this way. I think it makes traffic move better, but it doesn't. Alrighty, ride tech. Shit. I wish they'd put that sign a little bit better there. Nope. Trucks, you know. A little bit larger sign, or put that sign a little bit earlier.
Possible and then turn right in 660 feet.
All right. Always the best frickin' way. Ride tech, truck entrance. All right. Next stop, loaded. Yeah, just about 12 miles away from here. Okie dokie. Yeah, ready, I guess we're gonna get around this guy here.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Receiving right there. We're gonna, so we can't get out of the way here a little bit. As much as possible. Blocking the door, but What the hell? We'll move up here. We'll try to be out of the way as much as possible. All right, gonna go check in and see if we can get this garbage off. Okay, we got our second load off. 6 pieces, just 1,000 pounds of aluminum. You know, just little extruded type stuff. So just had to fight the wind a little bit, and temperatures are down in the freezing area, and it was wet last night, so straps are a little bit on the stiff side. So is the tarp. Bungees don't want to stretch as much either, so it was a little bit tougher, a little bit harder than it should have been, but that's the way it is, and all you can do is just deal with it. Like it's often said, suck it up, Buttercup. Just deal with it and move on.